In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement regarding fungi. Option A, they are heterotrophic. This is true because fungi are indeed heterotrophic organisms. That is, they obtain their nutrients by absorbing organic matter from other organisms, either through decomposing dead material or parasites or symbionts. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, they are both unicellular and multicellular. This is also true. Fungi can be unicellular, such as yeast, or multicellular, such as mushroom. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, they are eukaryotic. This is also true. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms. That is, they have a defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles in their cells. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, all fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. Now, this is wrong regarding fungi because fungi do not have a purely cellulosic cell wall. Instead, their cell walls are mainly composed of chitin and not cellulose. Cellulose is rather found in the cell walls of plants. Hence, it is the correct